Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Fedora 39 workstation on VMware Workstation 17.5. So make sure that you have installed the updated version of VMware Workstation. So this is my updated version. So I am going to create one new virtual machine. So select I will install the operating system later. So under Linux select Fedora. I think Fedora it's available. Yes, Fedora 64-bit. Next, provide one name to the virtual machine. Next, provide the path where the virtual machine is going to be stored. Store it as a single file. Provide the hard disk size as a 40 GB I am providing. Customize hardware, I am increasing RAM to 8 GB RAM. Next, CPU cores, 4 CPU cores. I am using 4 CPU cores. So CD DVD, I am using Fedora Workstation DVD ISO file which I have downloaded from internet. 39. Okay, 39 is the latest version. Okay, network adapter I needed. Okay. Power on this virtual machine. So start Fedora Workstation live. Okay, live CD is started. Start the installer. Okay, install to hard drive. Okay, installer is started. So this is the installer screen. English should be my default language. Continue. So installation destination. Select the virtual hard drive, and finally I am selecting time and date. Begin installation. So installation is completed. So power of the virtual machine. Okay, edit virtual machine settings. Okay, go to options. Okay, guest isolation features is already enabled. Okay, now I am going to enable the shared folder. So I am going to add one Windows folder to Fedora 39 workstation. That is, I am going to mount the Windows folder to Fedora 39 workstation. So now I restart the virtual machine after installation. First time I am going to logging in. So setup not yet completed. So enable the third party repositories. Okay, next. Okay, now create one login username. So provide the password to the login user. So I am providing very simple password. Start using. Okay. Okay, I'm typing vmware-hgfs-client. So shared folder is mounted. Okay, before that I am going to check the copy paste feature, that is shared clipboard feature, and copy paste the terminal output. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So copy paste, that is shared clipboard feature, is working fine. Let me try from Windows machine to Fedora 39 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Okay, unfortunately drag and drop is not working, so I am going to try shared folder now. So VMware-hgfs-client, I already shown you. Shared folder is mounted, but we need to access the content. Okay, so for that purpose I am logging as a root user. So I am creating one directory hgfs under /mnt directory. So through /mnt/hgfs only we are going to mount the shared folder. Okay, now I am going to edit /atg/fstab file. So add this entry vmhgfs-fuse space /mnt/hgfs space fuse space defaults comma allow underscore other space 0 space 0. That's it. Save the fstab file. So make sure that you are done as a root user. Okay, next type the command mount-a. So this will mount all the shared folders. systemctl daemon-reload. That's it. Now open another terminal, login as a ordinary user and try to access the content. cd/mnt/hgfs, you can see that shared folder is there. Yes, I can able to access the content of the shared folder. So finally Fedora 39 workstation installation on VMware Workstation 17.5 with VMWare Tools is successful.